It seems that now the best virtualization tool on the market is free for use, for personal use. So we are talking about VMware Workstation Pro version 17. It seems that VMware has now released for free usage the workstation, which you can now use only for personal usage. Of course, if you want to use this in a production way, you still have to pay for a license, but if you want to use it for personal use only, you are free to do so. And you can choose between VMware Workstation Pro or Fusion. And as a matter of fact, this has just been announced a few days ago, and I found out about this around 2 days ago, and I have decided to finally give it another try. And for example, now I'm already installing a new virtual server using VMware, and I'm gonna prepare the next server with a Red Hat 9.3, the newest version that we have from Red Hat. Actually, I believe 9.4 is the newest version, but I downloaded 9.3. And you can use now, if you want, VMware to set up your virtual environment for personal use, of course, but you can use VMware to create your home lab environment, and you can set up your virtual machines inside here instead of using VirtualBox if you do not like it. But remember, VMware Workstation Pro, it's available just for personal usage, and if you are going to use it for a production environment, you'll still have to pay a license for it. But also bear in mind that in order to download Workstation Pro for personal usage, you also have to create a Broadcom account and file a trade compliance report giving your address or maybe even your potential postcode. So for me, in order to be able to download Workstation Pro, I had to actually go in their website and I had to input some details like name, email address, and many other. So as you can see here, you are prompted on the Broadcom website where you have to create an account for you, and you have to give your email address and set up basically a general account. You are not going to be charged anything, you just have to create a Broadcom account and make sure that you add your correct details so that you can make sure you can use VirtualBox, VMware instead of VirtualBox for free for personal use. I'm going to add the URL link for the website from VMware, and I'm also gonna add the link where you are going to be redirected on Broadcom to create your account. And in order to create your account, your Broadcom account, so that you can use VMware Workstation 17 for free, you go on the right top of the screen, you click on login. This will prompt you here with two options, login and register. So click on register, input your details like name, email address, and so on. And once you've done with that, you'll receive an email where you have to input a code to activate your account, and then your registration is successful. And then you can proceed with adding more features like building your profile, and that will then give you access to download Workstation 17. Then you can log in using your Broadcom account, and you go here. From the left button you can even search by articles. So for example, on knowledge base articles you also have a download and install VMware Fusion. You can click on it, and here from all the options that you have to download VMware Workstation Pro, you just click on personal use for Windows and you download whichever version you have. I went with the version 17.5.2, and this is currently the one that I'm running right now. And look at this, my Red Hat 9.3 server has already finished installing, so I'm just gonna hit reboot the system and I can start using the server. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video, and I hope that this has helped you. And if it did help you in any way, please consider leaving a comment in the comment section down below and let me know your thoughts. And why not tell me what you would like to see next time. Thank you, see you next time. Cheers!